So, we need to talk. Don't worry, you're not in trouble. I didn't find those magazines you've been hiding under your bed. You're safe. It's about the truck, because we have some important decisions to make. So if you remember, in 2020, we installed the Arctic camo wrap on the truck, and it's been so awesome, and I love it. But I'm not a professional, and it's starting to show. The same is also starting to show with the Mustang, which we have to move in order to really get the truck where I want it. The wrap on the Mustang, look at this. Like, stand from back here. It looks great, but then you kind of come up here and you see all this. Yeah, forget about it. Anyway, we have to move the Mustang in order to get to the truck. Last night at O'Reilly's, the Mustang decided not to start on me. Don't know why. So I had to bump start it, push start it, you know? I've never done that before. Did I like it? No. Did it seem to fix the problem? Yeah. Yeah, it did. I just moved, so to my new neighbors, all I gotta say is, seize the moment. Seize the moment. Working on it. If you aren't familiar with the wrap we have on the truck, I'm going to introduce you really quick. It's Arctic camo. Don't get it confused with a cow. It happens all the time. Arctic camo, I swear. So as you can see, the truck has seen better days. The wrap is just kind of falling apart. We got a whole bunch of stuff like this right here. The worst spot is this, where we're just missing that whole chunk. I don't know where it went. It got claimed by the wind. I know it's not here, which is a problem. Now, we kind of knew this day was gonna come. The wrap, while it was good for a while, I'm not a professional, it was inevitable. It was gonna go downhill pretty quick. It's lasted almost 3 years, which is honestly, it's pretty good. I'll take it. It's a win. If you recall, I only paid $150 to do all of this and a lot of work. So it was a good investment. It was worth it. But we have to decide, are we gonna keep the wrap? Are we gonna take the wrap off? Are we gonna modify it? I just don't know. Keeping the wrap as it is right now kind of isn't an option. It's not what I want it to be. It's just really looking bad. It's looking really bad. So we have to do something to fix all this. We have a couple options. One, we could like cut around all the affected areas. So basically everywhere that's not flat. That kind of is the simple option. Removing the wrap's gonna be a lot of work, and the next steps beyond that will be a lot of work. So we might end up just cutting out all of the affected areas. I'm just not sure if that's gonna look good. So I'm actually gonna put a poll up on my Instagram. If you're watching this right now, the poll is up whether or not we should take the wrap off or modify the wrap. So I need y'all's help. I don't know what to do. I have an idea though. The wrap has been a whole lot of fun. I've really enjoyed it, but I think maybe it's time to mix things up a little bit. Maybe even go with the solid color, other than white, just because I don't know if I can stand it. Just looks kind of naked. There's been a Gen 3 Raptor around school though that's like desert tan, and it is one of the coolest trucks I've ever seen. I'm kind of throwing around the idea, maybe we take the wrap off and do desert tan. Would we wrap it desert tan? Heck no. I'm tired of wrapping and I suck at it, obviously. But maybe we could try Plasti-dipping it desert tan. You already know it's probably gonna be do it yourself. We're gonna do it ourselves just because money. I have to pay for this house back here, and college and food. I have to live. So we'll do it ourselves. I priced it, that's the other thing, $675. To cover a full-size truck, it takes 8 gallons of Plasti-dip. It takes 4 for the undercoating of Avalanche Gray and 4 for the tan. So $675, which at this point in time, yeah, it's probably not happening. But in the next couple months, we might be able to spare the $675 or whatever it costs to try to make this thing full desert tan. I think it would look really cool. I want to know what you think. If it looks anything like the Raptor I've seen around town, oh, it'd be sweet. All right, we're gonna think about the truck for a little bit. All right, marinate on that through the rest of the video. Let me know what we should do. Go to the Instagram poll. But last video, I told y'all, number one, we moved, new house. Welcome. Number two, we got the shop. I promised you I'd clean it up and show you. So here's the new shop.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never asked the price. I hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swiped it once without thinking twice, cause
this is what I am most excited about with the new house, is having this area to work, which is so nice. We have so much more room. We got some new tools that are on loan from my dad. What am I gonna use these for? This one, oh, this is gonna be great. We're gonna take up carpentry, I guess. I don't know. Since we are on summer break, if you will, I still gotta work out, still gotta practice, I have to work. But we are gonna be doing some home improvement things with the cars. We're gonna be cleaning stuff up, stuff that we've been putting off during the school year because of time and money. We're gonna try to get at least a little bit done on all the vehicles, make them a little bit nicer, so when we go into the next year, the year of school, before I graduate, again, we can have nice vehicles, which would be a change. Okay, you've seen that. Now, I'm gonna show y'all something really cool that y'all probably don't expect, because honestly, I don't expect it. Ooh, forgot to close the door, I see. That's good. Open. Yeah, that's super clean. Start some fire. No fire. I told y'all we drew over here. Anyway, I was just messing with you the first time. Right? Come on. Don't act so impressed, I know. As far as the sound of the truck,
it's fantastic.
so I ain't got a clue what we're gonna do with it, because I have no idea what's wrong with it. None. Zero clue. So yeah, but it's cool. It actually turns on. Now, it's been quite a while since we've been on a proper Mustang drive. You miss it, I miss it. The V8, never gets old. Except for sometimes it actually does get old, but that doesn't matter. You ready for it? Can I get ready for it? Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Stevensville Police Department. I support you guys so much. I really do. Please don't pull me over. Is the highest I have revved this thing in a long time, 6,400 RPM. I don't like taking it up that high because I'm scared that I'm gonna blow up the motor. It's a fact. We've done some diagnosing on the Mustang as of late. I figured out the transmission leak, which turns out to not be the transmission in a weird way. We're gonna go over that in a future video with a brand partnership. It's all gonna go swimmingly, Mike. Now, I'm not turning it off because I wanna hear the sound also, because I don't think it'll start again, but gotta admit, comp cams, they knew what they were doing, baby. Well, we have officially gone from gas station to gas station, and I'm hungry and it's time to get food, so that means it's time to end. Don't forget to go on that poll on Instagram to help us decide what to do with the truck. I'm really not sure, but we gotta figure something out. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. We're gonna have a lot of cool stuff coming very soon, but if you wanna see that, you gotta hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And until next time, y'all take it easy while you're out there changing the world like I know you will. And I'll catch y'all very soon. Yeah, forget about it. Lawnmower.